Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of the TheGridHunters. Today, we have a fascinating topic to explore: Chainlink and their decentralized Oracle network, the game changer in the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new to the crypto world, we advise you to join our Discord community to keep up with the latest news and trends. Additionally, you'll be able to communicate and chat directly with us and our fellow members of the TheGridHunters. So let's dive right in and answer your burning questions about Chainlink. Chainlink was founded in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis, who co-authored a white paper introducing the Chainlink protocol and the network with Cornell University and Professor Ari Jules. Chainlink launched its network in 2019 and has since expanded its capabilities and features to support various use cases and applications. Chainlink is a revolutionary decentralized Oracle network, but what does that mean? Well, think of it as a bridge that connects smart contracts on different blockchains to real-world data sources like APIs, market data, weather data, and even sports data. This connection allows smart contracts to access reliable and tamper-proof information securely and flexibly. You might wonder, how is Chainlink useful to the world? Chainlink solves the Oracle problem, which is the challenge of connecting smart contracts to external data sources securely and reliably. It allows blockchains to access off-chain data and perform off-chain computations. The decentralized Oracle networks of Chainlink fetch, validate, and deliver data from multiple sources onto blockchains. The beauty of Chainlink's Oracle network is that it's open source and decentralized, meaning there's no single point of failure or trust involved in the data delivery process. This reliability makes Chainlink incredibly valuable across various industries. In the world of decentralized finance, Chainlink provides high-quality data feeds for asset prices, interest rates, exchange rates, and market events. These data feeds are crucial for the decentralized finance protocols to function properly. Insurance is another area where Chainlink shines. It enables smart contract-based insurance products that automatically trigger payouts based on verifiable data such as weather conditions, flight delays, and natural disasters. Gamers, listen up! Chainlink offers a variable randomness function that ensures probably fair and unpredictable outcomes for blockchain-based games, lotteries, and even NFTs. But it doesn't stop there. Chainlink's connectivity extends to supply chain management, where it connects smart contracts to IoT sensors, RFID tags, GPS trackers, and other devices. This enables tracking and verification of goods in transit. Lastly, Chainlink plays a crucial role in identity verification. It can link smart contracts to off-chain identity services like KYC, AML checks, biometric authentication, and credit scores. Now, let's move on to our next question. How does Chainlink compare to other tokens? Chainlink stands out because it's not just a cryptocurrency, it's also a decentralized Oracle network. While other tokens focus solely on transactions, Chainlink's Link tokens power the services of network operators who fetch, aggregate, and deliver off-chain data. Moreover, Chainlink supports hybrid smart contracts combining on-chain code and off-chain data infrastructure. This flexibility allows smart contracts to access any data source, perform complex computations, and connect to any blockchain. Finally, let's address the question on every investor's mind. Why is Chainlink a good investment? Chainlink's partnerships with renowned projects and enterprises speak volumes about its potential. For example, they collaborated with Google Cloud, granting smart contract developers access to Google's powerful cloud service for seamless integration. In the financial sector, Chainlink successfully demonstrated its capabilities at Swift's Sibos conference. By pulling off-chain data from multiple banks, Chainlink showcased its ability to bridge the gap between traditional finance and blockchain. Oracle, one of the largest providers of enterprise software and cloud services, also recognized Chainlink's potential. They joined forces to help startups using Chainlink's oracles monetize their APIs on the Oracle blockchain platform. Another exciting partnership is with Arbol, a platform offering weather insurance for farmers using smart contracts and Chainlink oracles. Together, they're democratizing access to risk management tools for farmers worldwide. And let's not forget Zeppelin OS, a platform that makes smart contract development faster, easier, and more secure. They integrate Chainlink as their default Oracle solution, granting users access to any external data or service they need. With such strong partnerships and real-world use cases, Chainlink has proven itself as an excellent investment opportunity in the crypto market. And that wraps up today's episode on Chainlink, the game-changing crypto token. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join our community, and stay up to date with the latest trends in the crypto world. Until next time, happy hunting! We want to emphasize that TheGridHunters is not a financial advisory service. If you're trading any kind of cryptocurrencies, please do so at your own risk. Always consult a financial advisor before making any kinds of investments.